So our second practical is to make the tenon and assembly of mortise and tenon joint. So here is the figure you can see.
This one is tenon part, and this one is the complete assembly.
This one the complete assembly of mortise and tenon joint.
Now this is the wooden piece from the previous practical.
Right. This is the wooden piece from the previous practical we have made. It is already dimensions have been made and it's plain, and we will begin by marking for the tenon.
Now again, take a steel rule and mark on 40 mm.
We are marking for the tenon now.
With the help of price scale.
So this 40 mm is for this part, I think.
This is length of the tenon.
Yes, this
This length of the tenon.
And again,
The tenon is 40 mm long and 10 mm wide.
mark. Divide into 3 equal parts. 10, 10, 10. Again,
Now marking for the width of the tenon, that is 10 mm.
with the help of marking gauge.
With the help of marking gauge. So we have marked for width of the tenon all round. So now marking for the width of the tenon is being done on the end. Now it's complete on the sides as well as on the end. So now we'll cut the tenon using a tenon saw. We use tenon saw as it does smoother cutting. So we want our tenon surface to be smooth for better fit.
So we have to take care that it is up to 40 mm only.
And we have cut slightly beyond the marking so that the width does not reduce. Otherwise the fit may become loose. If need be, we will finish it to the size later on.
Similarly, the other side is
now
also.
you can see the tenon is cut from one side.
Yes. Now the other
Using
side.
tenon side. Now we'll cut from the other side.
Now again it is to be removed from the tenon part.
So here we have the tenon before finishing. Now we'll finish it to the size so that it fits well into the mortise. You can see it.
So now this is the tenon part that we are smoothing now with the help of the flat smooth file.
On both sides.
On all the sides so that it can fit properly into the mortise part that is made into the practical number 1.
Yep.
Now here we are having the mortise part. Now this is the mortise part into which the tenon part is going to fit. So for this purpose we are doing the finishing to adjust the size. Now you can see that it is fitting up till now. This is the complete mortise and tenon joint, right? So here you can see this one is the tenon part which has fit into this mortise part, right? So with this, the second practical, that is the making of the tenon part, is complete, and also we have assembled the mortise and tenon joint, right? So that is all for the day. Thank you very much.